The Satin Matte Glazes are a line of semi-opaque cone 5 to 6 glazes that have a satiny, buttery smooth surface with a slight sheen to them. What makes these glazes so unique is that they come in a variety of beautiful colors and are completely intermixable, all while being food safe. They can be used for decorative items and sculptural wear, as well as functional dinnerware. These glazes work well for pieces that need to have crisp lines and edges. White clay will produce the most vibrant results with the Satin Matte Glazes, but other cone 5 to 6 clays will create interesting looks as well. There are plenty of possibilities when using the Satin Matte Glazes. All of the colors in the line are completely intermixable. Experiment with mixing different colors to create more possibilities. The Satin Matte Glazes have a black, a white, and a clear that are perfect for playing with the lightness of the colors. Mix a color with black to create a shade. Mix a color with white to create a tint. Mix a color with the clear to create a more translucent color. Try blending two satin matte colors to create a mesmerizing gradient design. By playing with all these combinations, you're able to create a whole spectrum of color to utilize in your work. The Satin Matte Glazes are very stiff, meaning that they won't run when fired. This makes the glazes fantastic for pattern work and graphics. Try applying the glaze with a tape resist or a vinyl decal to make detailed patterns. The Satin Matte Glazes pair well with other Amaco glazes. They are especially useful as a base for our semi-moist underglazes to create a painterly design on your work. Just apply the smug colors to a dry coat of satin matte and they'll fuse into each other in the kiln. This way you can have a smooth satin matte finish to your design. The Satin Matte Glazes are a must for artists who love to play with color. They can make a form really pop or just be a simple staple glaze that helps accentuate other glazes. This versatility leads to so many possibilities for you and your work. You can check out the Satin Matte Glazes on our website, amaco.com, or our YouTube channel, and you can find them at a distributor near you. Happy glazing!